Hey everyone, and thanks for watching this video. I hope it's able to serve as a reference on at least just one way that you can perform your etudes. Make sure that you check out the description below for practice techniques and any specific measures that may give you trouble when preparing, just like they did me. And don't worry, I'll call myself out on any mistakes that I made. All right, happy practicing and best wishes on your audition.